to edit the spreadsheet live, click on it, click Open, then choose Microsoft Excel Online. Type in your information. You'll notice there's 2 tabs at the top of the window. You can bounce between the folder where the applications are and the spreadsheet. Fill out the information. If everything's there, mark the application as complete. If something is missing, leave blank the column of the item that is missing, and then in the email sent column, if you use the 3-letter abbreviation for the month, it will not confuse it with numbers. And then when you're done typing for the day, you can hit the little green file button and then exit. The browser window will refresh, and most of the time the information shows. If it doesn't, click the refresh browser window and then the missing information will appear and you're done.